Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 2nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so if somebody only looks at the closing price today, we closed at 1969. We are up 31 cents, and that's good for 1.6%. We could feel like, wow, great, everything is doing great. Palantir is rebounding. It's only when we look at the chart that we really understand what is happening. So a couple of days ago, since November 14th, we have entered into a very small congestion zone between $20.10 and $21.20. So the stock has been playing around within these two numbers, and now we have a breakdown. We broke down yesterday. So today what is happening is that we are having a little bit of a pullback. So we are pulling back up a little bit. And as I mentioned, let me show you better. As I mentioned yesterday, so Palantir is effectively into I'm going to choose the highlighter, is into this descending channel like this. And this is the middle line of this descending channel. And Palantir had been going up and down within that channel. And now we have yesterday we broke outside of the middle line of the channel. So it seems like we are going down to 1790. So this little pullback that we had today does not mean much yet. If we have other pullbacks and the stock is going up tomorrow and next week, then maybe we can start thinking about something else. But right now, based on what I see, this is just a little bit of a pullback that we had today. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, what happened during the day? So we started the day right here. Nice first hour. Green candle, a little bit of a longer wick at the top. Nice volume also. Wow, look at this. Nice volume. So people were buying at that price. Then second hour, buying pressure, but then we did not go as high. Third hour, also buying pressure. And we see a little bit of a weakening here. So because we made the lower high. Then this was going down on the fourth hour, but then we recouped everything on the fifth hour with a nice green candle. And we have been up during the last 2 hours also. Now, this is what has been happening with the price. If we look at the indicators, so we are at 27 stochastic. We have a MACD almost crossing over bullish on the 1 hour side. So maybe we are reversing a little bit, or maybe this is just a pullback and we might be going further down. So on the 1 hour chart, things are looking not too bad. But because of stochastic here, I'm saying that this little move up maybe won't last. But don't act on what I say, act on what will happen. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. So stochastic at 21, super low. RSI came out of the oversold portion and came back into a very low and weak position, but at least it's not oversold anymore. And everything else is pretty bearish. So the question is, are we pulling back? If we are pulling back above 2010, then the pullback has succeeded and we have rebounded. If we don't go back higher than 2010, then maybe we are just going lower. And the first support that is of significance is 1790. Watch for 2010 and watch for 1790. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.